In just under 5 months, we turned a neglected and worn-out space into a breathtaking home, brimming with charm and beauty. Once a forgotten shell, this house underwent a remarkable transformation. Walls were stripped bare, revealing the hidden potential within. With precision and dedication, every step of the renovation was perfectly executed. Today, this house stands as a testament of the power of vision, hard work, and skilled craftsmanship.
Welcome back, guys. This is our new beautiful pool villa, and this house is located in the heart of Pattaya.
We have 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms in a wonderful modern and bright design. I'm sure you will like it. Let's have a look inside.
Okay, so by entering the house, the focus point is the huge kitchen, which starts with the black forest stone dining table, which looks fantastic in this house. And look at this island. This island is 5 meters long, and this is the longest kitchen island we have ever built. And see the colors, the brown, the gray, the white, the color, everything is just matching here.
Next to the kitchen is the TV wall with a tin floating shelf. This area is very bright because we installed a nice light fixture. Finally, let me show you one of the most exclusive stairs in Pattaya. It's a structural masterpiece to make this unique curved shape. This stair brings us to the second floor. We have a nice chandelier, the perfect view to our swimming pool, and here we have the access to our 5 exclusive bedrooms. This is the cream bedroom. Here we choose the cream tile, which gives the room a warm feeling. We also added up a lot of stainless steel decoration on walls and ceiling. The bed what we choose gives the room a very comfortable atmosphere. This is our spacious master bathroom. We have a double vanity, a heated smart mirror, very exclusive wall tiles, and there in the back we have a double rain shower. This is the master bedroom with a completely different color theme. From here you have a nice balcony and the perfect view to the swimming pool.
And this is our infinity edge pool, which we installed a huge mirror on the other side. And so if you are swimming in the swimming pool, you really can see that the pool is infinity. And because this is a party pool villa, we installed bar chairs both sides of the bar. So even if you are sitting in the swimming pool, you can have a beer, or you can sit in the bar and you can have a beer as well. And we also installed a mini bar with a fridge, so you can have all the drinks in the bar. And here is a beautiful light color lounge area with a colorful pillows. Behind me is a rain shower and 2 sunbeds. And guys, we are super happy of this project because we could sell the house before we even finished it.
And now we have 3 more projects ongoing, so be excited for the next videos.